Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to start your gardening journey on the Widgetable app. Now if you want to start your gardening journey on the Widgetable app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Widgetable app on a device. So if you have not installed the Widgetable app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Widgetable app, and this is the home page of Widgetable where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar like explore, friends, more, and various things at the taskbar like shop, pro, pet, garden, and all of it. Now to start a gardening journey, you may also click on the option of more at the very bottom right, or you may simply click on the option of garden at the very top. And here you'll see the number of seeds and the growing plants which you have. So you just need to tap on the plants, and here you'll see the option of next, so click on it, and here you'll see the option of water, sunlight, pest control, weed control, and all of it. So you just need to tap on the option of water, and it helps to water the plants. Now here you'll see the option of sunlight which shows the option of sunlight. So if you tap on the option of sunlight, the plant will get sunlight and it will be happy. So here you'll see the various options of pest and all of it. So click on the option of pest control, and it helps to remove all the pest from it. And you may also click on the option of weed control if there is any weed available on the plant itself. So that's it. That's how you can start your gardening journey on the Widgetable app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.